Hi there, literary lovers. Welcome to Literature with Sasha, where we dive deep into the worlds of book, authors, and all the things literature. If you are passionate about exploring different eras of literature from the classic to contemporary gems, you are in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and let's embark on this literary journey together. The contemporary period 1939 to today in English literature. English literature from 1939 to the present day is often referred to as the contemporary period. This era has witnessed radical shift in style, themes and structure marked by intense cultural, political and technological changes as the world faced wars, revolutions and global upheavals. Literature evolved in the ways that reflect these profound transformations from the aftermath of World War II to the digital age. Contemporary English literature presents a fascinating era of voices, movements, and innovations. Introduction. The contemporary period in English literature spans from the time 1939 to the present day, encompassing major historical events, the evolution of new literary movements, and the emergence of diverse voices. This period is characterized by its exploration of identity, social justice, disillusionment, and the impact of technology on human life. The evolution of literature during this time can be linked to significant social and cultural changes, particularly those influenced by global conflict, politics, and struggle, shifting societal norms, historical context, and social influence. The impact of World War II on literature. The shadow of World War II appears large over the contemporary period. The war not only reshaped the global order but also deeply influenced the way writers approached their craft. Literature of the time reflected themes of trauma, loss, and existential dread, with many works examining the brutality of war and the emotional and psychological toll it took on individuals. Writers such as George Orwell, in his iconic novel 1984, explored the dangers of dictatorship, while others delved into the effect of post war recovering and the questioning of long held beliefs. The rise of modernism and postmodernism. The contemporary period is also marked by the rise of two critical literary movements, modernism and postmodernism. Modernism, which began in the early 20th century, continued to influence writers throughout the 1939 to 1960s period. It focused on experimentation with forms and structures, stream of consciousness narration, and fragmented narrative styles. Was a radical departure from traditional storytelling. In the second half of the 20th century, postmodernism emerged as a dominant force, characterized by skepticism toward grand narrative irony and a blending of high and low culture. Postmodernism challenged established norms in both form and content. Writers like Thomas and Donne embraced this approach, often using complex inner wound plots and metafictional elements to comment on the nature of reality. Social movements, civil rights, feminism, and post-colonialism. In addition to literary movements, the social upheavals of the mid-20th century, civil rights, feminism, and post-colonialism had a profound impact on English literature. The works of authors such as James Toni Morrison gave voice to marginalized communities and explored themes of race, identity, and social justice. The feminist movements brought new perspective on gender and power, with writers like Virginia Woolf and Simone de Beauvoir influencing generations of female authors. Meanwhile, post-colonial literature gained prominence as former colonies sought to assert their independence and identity. Authors like Chinua Achebe highlighted the legacy of colonialism and the complexities of post-colonial societies. Key literary movements in the contemporary period. Modernism, a shift in style and themes. Modernism, which reached its peak in the early 20th century, is characterized by its rejection of Victorian conventions and its embrace of new forms of expression. In the contemporary period, modernism influence continued, with many authors experimenting with stream of consciousness technique, fragmented narrative, and unreliable narrators like the Virginia Woolf and James Joyce paved the way for this new approach to storytelling, one that focused on the inner lives of characters rather than external events. Postmodernism, fragmentation, irony, and imitation. Postmodernism came to the forefront in the later half of the 20th century. It rejected the certainty and order of modernism and instead embraced a fragmented self-referential style. Writers like Kurt John Barth often employed style, parody, and metafiction stories within stories or contemporary on the art of storytelling itself. Postmodern works are often marked by irony and playfulness with language, making them both complex and entertaining. The emergence of experimental literature. Alongside these movements, experimental literature grew in popularity. Writers like Samuel Beckett, with works like Waiting for Godot, explored initial themes in unconventional ways. These works often defy traditional narrative structures, leaving readers to piece together meaning from fragmented or absurd text. Influential authors of the contemporary period: George Orwell, Politics and Dystopia. One of the most influential writers of the contemporary period is George Orwell, whose dystopia novels 1984 and Animal Farm explore the censorship and the manipulation of truth. Orwell's sharp political commentary and exploration of power dynamics have made him a key figure in the study of literature's role in shaping political discourse. Sylvia Plath, the voice of personal struggle. Sylvia Plath's works resonate with readers for its raw emotional intensity and its exploration of mental illness, identity, and feminism. Her novels, The Bell Jar, and her poetry, including the famous Ariel, depict the struggle of women battling depression and societal expectations. Salman Rushdie, magical realism and post-colonial identity. Salman Rushdie Midnight Children blend historical events with magical realism, creating a narrative that both fascinating and rooted in the social and political realities of post-colonial India. Rushdie's work highlight the complexities of identity in the post-colonial world and remain a significant contribution to contemporary literature. Contemporary English literature. The crisis of identity and alienation. Contemporary literature often explore the crisis of identity, especially in the rapidly changing world. Many characters in modern novel experience alienation from society, family, or themselves. Post-war disillusionment and fertility. After the mirth of World War II and the Cold War led to the sense of disillusionment among many writers. Horrors of war, along with the threat of nuclear extinction, prompted a question of traditional values and the purpose of human existence. The role of technology and media in shaping society. With the rise of technology and media, literature has increasingly addressed the impact of these forces on human life. Writers explore how media, technology, and consumerism shapes contemporary society. In recent years, the eco-critical movement had gained grip, with authors using literature to address environmental concerns and the human relationship with nature. The works of writers highlight the fragility of natural world and the need for environmental stewardship. Contemporary literature and the cultural diversity. As the world has become more interconnected, literature has reflected the increasing cultural diversity of society. Multicultural voices have emerged, challenging traditional literary norms and offering new perspective on race, ethnicity, and identity. The globalization of literature has brought authors addressing themes of marginalization, exile, and hybrid identities. The role of women in contemporary literature. Feminist movement has played a significant role in shaping contemporary literature. Female writers have become more visible, and their works address a wide range of issues, including gender identity, power dynamics, and societal expectations. Authors like Toni Morrison and Alice Walker have brought attention to the experience of African American women, while others such as Virginia Woolf and Simone de Beauvoir had laid the groundwork for feminist literary theory. Post-colonial literature in the contemporary era. Post-colonial literature remains an essential part of the contemporary period, with authors like Chinua Achebe offering critical reflections on the effect of colonialism and the complexities of post-colonial identities. These works examine the legacy of colonial oppression and the ongoing struggles for cultural and political autonomy in formerly colonized nations. The digital age and literature. With the advancement of digital technology, literature has undergone significant changes. The rise of e-book, online publishing, and social media platforms has revolutionized the way literature is consumed and distributed. The digital age has also allowed for new forms of storytelling, including interactive fiction and digital poetry, offering exciting possibilities for the future of literature. Literary genre in the contemporary period. The genre of fiction and poetry have continued to evolve during the contemporary period. The rise of fantasy, fiction, and theoretical genre has led to the exploration of new world and alternate realities, while non-fiction and Memorian writings have seen a surge in popularity. Poetry has evolved, experienced a revival with poets like Rupi, engaging modern readers through social media platforms. Contemporary literary criticism has evolved in response to contemporary literature. Critical approaches such as feminism, post-colonialism theory had gained prominence influencing the interpretation of modern texts. The influence of psychoanalysis and Marxist theory continue to shape literary analysis, adding depth to the study of contemporary works. The impact of contemporary literature on society. Contemporary literature play a crucial role in reflecting societal change and influencing political discourse. Writers use their craft to address pressing global issues such as climate change, inequality, and political corruption. Literature serves as both the mirror of society and tool for social change. The future of contemporary English literature. Looking ahead, contemporary literature will continue to evolve in response to global changes and technological advancement. Emerging voices, new literary forms, and the blending of genres will shape the future of literature, while its role in addressing social and political issues will remain as important as ever. Conclusion. The contemporary period in English literature reflects the ever changing world in which it was created. From post war disillusionment to the rise of digital media, writers have responded to a world in flux through new style, innovation, themes, and diverse voices. Contemporary literature continues to challenge readers and offer insights into the complexities of modern life. Thanks for joining me on today's literary adventure. I hope you enjoyed the deep dive into the world of contemporary English literature. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful discussion. Until next time, keep reading, keep exploring.